Hey there, we're Crystal and Eric, corporate remote workers, Airbnb photographers, and now full-time van lifers. We like traveling off the beaten path and finding hidden gems along the way. If you like that too, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more.
Come along with us today as we get the van ready to hit the road.
I'm scared. It's time to move back into the van, long term.
I think what's more nuts is that we're supposed to be moving in like a week from tomorrow. I just feel like so unprepared. It's like we have taxes, we're catching up on work, we're planning our spring photo shoot schedule. We have not even thought about where we're going in the van. Is there something else going on this weekend?
It's my birthday.
Yeah, anyway, no.
But it's very exciting. And I want to be in the van. And I'm excited to be in the van. What could go wrong?
You just doomed us!
Okay. So, I'm gonna use this air compressor that runs off of the cigarette lighter, which we have confirmed that we do have, so that's good. Unfortunately, it doesn't reach, but we do have the Jackery on 13%. So we are really just scraping by. All right, we tried to create some sort of daisy chain to the other car. It wasn't enough. The cord is just not long enough. Now we have to connect the Jackery to the house somehow, but it needs to be charged. I don't know where that charger is right now.
This is honestly a pain of living in multiple locations. Life was easier when we were just living in the van, but we've been splitting our time between the van and travel and Airbnbs and families' homes while the van is winterized. And now it's just like, I think we're remembering a very important lesson here. Everything in van life takes like 10 times longer than you think it's gonna take.
Next order of business, getting the electricity back on. Here we are. Drum roll. Yeah! Oh my god, cool. Let's see how much battery we lost with it just sitting in the freezing cold for a couple months.
It's at 100!
That's what I'm talking about!
Just with how everything else was going with the batteries, we know batteries drain in the cold. We assumed that even though the electricity was off, that those batteries would also drain in the cold and we wouldn't be at 100, but we are. Little fun fact that we learned: when you're turning the electricity off and you're winterizing it, you should have the batteries very close to full charge. We thought it was going to be much lower than this and we'd have to drive it around.
Everything happens for a reason. Everything works out for us. Van life is the best and we're the best. Yeah, I love my life. Tell us what happened.
I forgot about the plant.
Frozen.
He had frost on him. I was so hyped when we got that plant. Do you remember? I was so excited to put this little guy in the van and to give it some life. I can't believe I left him in here all winter.
Yikes.
Maybe he'll come back. Maybe he just froze in place.
Yeah, like there's like frogs and stuff. There's like
Frogs, fish.
so much of life can do it. Come on, honestly, plant, take some accountability here.
Yeah, you weren't strong enough.
Toxic.
Love it. What a good day. 1 week before we're scheduled to leave. We did it. We mapped the tentative route and we decided to not leave in 1 week. It just made sense to leave a week later. Who needs an extra week in Mississippi?
Hey, you might regret that.
We'll cut back and we'll see if I regret it. I don't know. But right now, I don't feel like I need an extra week in Mississippi.
The state campsites remain troublesome. Gotta create an account. Do I have to create an account for every state? If only there was some sort of overarching government body that I could work with. Now it feels real. We got all the Harvest Host book all the way to the Gulf of Mexico.
Woo!
I'm so ready to hit the road. I was so not ready to hit the road like 48 hours ago, and I'm so ready to hit the road right now.
We have to wait 2 weeks.
But that's
we have
okay.
a lot to do. We have a lot to do. Good job.
New business model? Would you
Cleaning
let us watch your
cars?
van? Do it in tank top. There we go.
We're doing it.
Let's go. Brand new 40-liter bag. Oh, I guess Eric's going hiking. No. sneaky pee bag. This is where we're gonna hide the pee container so I could take it into a gas station or a Planet Fitness and be like, oh, you know, I'm just a guy with a backpack, not a guy sneaking pee to dump into your toilet. Right in there. This is what we've become.
What just happened?
Oh, the nice Orkin man that we love so much, who might be our neighbor, might buy the house next to us. He said, Mississippi's not it.
And he's from there, so he knows a thing or two.
Well, that's where I'm headed right now. Subscribe. Find out, is Mississippi any good?
In other news, we are making slow but steady progress.
Moving forward, getting it in, getting it done. You know, I fooled myself again. I underestimated it a little bit, but I do have a general idea where everything goes, and it's on its way.
What else can you ask for?
And it's a beautiful day. So that is it. We are on the road as of T-minus 5 minutes.
Woo!
I'm so excited. It's been a journey, a lot of thinking about this moment, but it feels good now that we're here. Wouldn't you say?
It was a lot to prepare. It wasn't as bad as moving in the first time, which I'm really thankful for. It's a lot of mental capacity to just coordinate everything and remember everything in the order that you're supposed to remember it. So I'm actually relieved to be on the road because it has been the most stressful thing for me to live in like 2 places or to have my stuff kind of split between a suitcase and the van or a house and a van. It's been really annoying. So I think this is going to be much easier.
It's so true. Like, I feel like my anxiety has all been around getting the van packed, not about actually going where we're going,
Exactly.
which we are going to the American Deep South.
What?
Yep. Literally like last place on our list, but we're trying to get out of the cold as quickly as possible, and we have to be back on the East Coast for the summer. We figured, let's go and check it out. Where can we
Why
go
not?
that we've never been before? And that's where we're going, to the Gulf Coast, baby.
All right, let's go. So if you know anything about the Deep South, we're talking Alabama, Mississippi, maybe even Louisiana, let us know what we're in for because we have absolutely no idea. It'll be good to see because we've really just never had any other desire to see it.
And we're going to be making a lot of videos, so like this video, subscribe for more, and come to the Deep South with us, please. We'd love to go with you.
Van life is back. Let's go.
Oh, just getting some steps in.